have to do that.
Here it comes. Look at it. Look at it go.
That's big. Going around in circles, Dad.
Spraying. Yep. Isn't that crazy?
I don't hear it spraying.
I know.
Kylie, if that goes up the street and Kylie sees that, she's not gonna like it. She'll cry.
Yeah, it's scary. I didn't know what it was at first. Someone told me that that's what they were doing. I had no idea the first time I saw it. I was freaked out.
Is it going around in circles?
Actually, it was when you guys were like little babies, and I took you out of the house because I didn't know what was going on. Hey, here it comes. See it? Hey, I want you here, guys.